Welcome to your migration guide.
That's it. Thinking about moving your notes from Evernote to Notion? This complete walkthrough will show you every step of the process, helping you move all your content with minimal trouble. Whether you use Evernote for work, study, or personal projects, you'll learn how to bring everything into Notion quickly and efficiently.
Getting ready for the move.
Before starting, make sure you have active accounts for both Evernote and Notion. Update both apps to the latest versions and sign in on your computer for the smoothest experience. Double-check that your notes are fully synced in Evernote. This ensures nothing gets left behind in the migration.
Exporting notes from Evernote.
Export your notes by opening Evernote on your computer. Select the notes or notebooks you want to transfer, then click File and select Export Notes. Choose the ENEX file format, which works best with Notion's importer. Save the ENEX file to a location you'll easily find, like your desktop.
Importing into Notion.
Open Notion and go to the left sidebar, then click Import. Select Evernote from the list of options and upload the ENEX file you exported. Notion will process and organize your notes automatically. Large imports may take a few minutes. Once finished, you'll see your Evernote content as pages in Notion.
Reviewing and organizing your notes.
Take a moment to review your imported notes. Check for formatting differences, attachments, and tags. Notion may organize content slightly differently from Evernote, so reorganize your pages or databases as needed. This is a great time to clean up, delete duplicates, and set up a workflow that suits you in Notion.
Finishing up and tips for success.
Once everything looks good, you're ready to start using Notion as your primary notes app. Consider archiving your Evernote export files as a backup. Take advantage of Notion features like databases and linked pages to further improve your note-taking. With these steps, your notes should be safely and efficiently migrated.